Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Stax. First, carefully unbox your new Ledger Stax and ensure all components are present, including the device itself and the USB-C cable. Power on the device by pressing the button, then follow the on-screen prompts to select your desired language. Finally, connect your Ledger Stax to a power source using the included USB-C cable to ensure it has sufficient charge for the setup process. Next, you'll need to configure your device. The first step is to create a strong PIN code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits long. Remember this PIN, as you'll use it to unlock your device. After setting your PIN, the Ledger Stax will display your 24-word recovery phrase. It's crucial to write this down accurately on the provided recovery sheets and store it in a secure, private location. Now, it's time to verify your recovery phrase. Your Ledger Stax will prompt you to re-enter specific words from your 24-word phrase. Carefully select each word as it appears on the screen to confirm its accuracy. This verification step is incredibly important as it ensures you have correctly recorded your recovery phrase, which is essential for recovering your assets if your device is ever lost or damaged. Finally, you'll want to download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. Once installed, connect your Ledger Stax to Ledger Live using the USB-C cable. Follow the on-screen instructions within Ledger Live to install the cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Ledger Stax device. This allows you to manage your digital assets securely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.